We in LFB as an organization, we will never allow to de-reserve the ST seats of the Kokraja and Udalguri. If Udalguri happens, we will never ever accept the de-reservation of the ST seats of the Kokraja Lok Sabha. We had already three accords. One BAC accord, another one the BTC accord, and another one is the BTR accord. We should fight unitedly together. We should make another revolution if it happens so. On behalf of NLFB, National Liberation Front of Bodoland, would like to wish all the people of BTC and Assam as a whole a very jovial Happy New Year. The reserved seat of the ST of the Kokraja Lok Sabha seat should be remain as it is. And we have heard that there will be two constituencies, one in Odalguri and one in Kokraja. But we have heard that these two seats will be most probably will be declared as the general category. But we in LFB as an organization, we will never allow to de-reserve the ST seats of the Kokraja and Udalguri if Udalguri happens. So today we had a general council meeting in the Kokraja headquarters, and we have resolved this. We have taken a decision that we will never ever accept the de-reservation of the ST seats of the Kokraja Lok Sabha.
What do you want?
To urge the union and the state government that these things should be taken into the consideration that because the thing is that I will tell you the straightforward. We Bodo people have been fighting for the political rights since 1986 or 87. We had already three accords. One BAC accord, another one the BTC accord, and another one is the BTR accord. We have been making accords again and again. The reason is that the only reason was that we need a political rights, and if it happens so, if they take the political rights from us again, like the example that the de-reservation of the ST seats of the Kokraja, if it happens, then I appeal all the Bodo organization, whether it is a political party, whether it's a non-political party, whether it's a student organization or ex-NDFB or a ex-volunteer force, I would like to urge them all that we should fight unitedly together. We should make another revolution if it happens so. This is the reason why we have made a press meet here.